Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing the Walmart new arrivals for fall. I have so many gorgeous chic looks, all the way from casual to some dressy casual options. A lot of pieces you could also mix and match for workwear. So I'll have it all linked below as usual in that description box. If you're on a mobile device, just tap the title of the video and everything will expand there. And I'd also like to say a big thank you to Walmart for partnering with me on today's video. And let's just get started because I cannot wait to share with you guys all these fall outfit ideas. Okay, here is an overview of the very first outfit idea. A good layered look, especially because I know in fall time it could be pretty chilly in the morning or in the evening, and then during the day it gets pretty hot. So this is a nice layered option. So this trench, one of my favorite pieces from this haul. It is so good, the perfect shade of camel. I did a little belted little half bow detail with it, but you could certainly tie it however you like. I also love that it has like the tortoise buttons, and it does fit pretty true to size, but if you want a little bit, if you have a broader shoulder, then I would size up one size. Otherwise, I'd say pretty true to size. It's nothing too oversized, and my knee, you can see, goes a couple inches above the knee. And I just love this to like dress up or dress down any looks for fall. So you could certainly style it a multitude of ways. And then I just have it on with some cream jeans, a cream sweater, which I'll show you guys from Walmart. And then also these new shoes I also got from Walmart. These mules, so comfortable. I just got them in and I thought they were the perfect shade of that cognac. Again, just to go with like more of a monochromatic look, I feel like it totally elevates a lot of outfits. And these are always, this is like a great shoe staple for fall time. You guys know in my shoe guide, I shared how much I love mules, and so this one is no exception. And just to show you guys how this looks, you know, in like with the sweater, you could wear it on buttons like this and have it just as like a throw on and go piece of outerwear. So I love how it looks opened up too, if you want to like, if it's not like super cool. I think this is just nice to throw on like this. And then here's that sweater, very cozy, not itchy or scratchy at all. And it's a lighter weight knit, I would say. And it does have a little mix of different patterns of the knit, and it does fit true to size. And you can see the length of the sleeve not too long, which is nice as well. And this did come in quite a few other color options, so definitely a good fall wardrobe staple for this as well. And I just have it like monochromatic with cream jeans, but broke it up with a belt a little bit, and then the brown tones. I love this even on its own, even without the trench. I think this is such a cute outfit idea. Next is this quilted barn jacket or like puffer coat, and this is so gorgeous. I love the shade of burgundy. It is perfection for fall. I have it belted, so it has this belted detail. It is removable if you wanted it to just be like a boxier coat. And then it has the front snap closure pockets right here. So it's a nice little detail. And then, like I said, the quilted detail, it comes up pretty high on your neck, so it will keep you very warm. Not like a super heavy duty winter coat, but a nice, more like fall level coat. Again, it just depends on the temperature where you live is, and it's all a little bit different for everyone, I know, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on belted and then kind of just like open. So it's, like I said, a boxier coat when it's like that. And it's a gorgeous, gorgeous silhouette. I love it. It has like stretchy material on the little wrist area. Next is this two-piece set. It's this buttery soft joggers and pullover. And this is in a gorgeous navy. It comes in a bunch of other color options, but this material is so insanely soft. It is like unlike anything I've ever felt. It is so nice, so luxe feeling, and it gives all the cozy chic vibes. Like it still feels very put together. This would be great for travel, great for you know, lounge or running errands. I just styled it with like a dusty pink sneaker and dusty pink accents with my bag. But I love, love, love this set so much. They're sold separately, so you could customize the sizing. Has the customizable drawstring waist, and then it has this front little pocket situation here. I absolutely adore it. I think it is so adorable. This is a really fun way to add in a pop of color for fall. So I love this hot pink. We're seeing a lot of the bright pinks for fall right now, and this is a great way to incorporate it with a sweater. So this is a cozy knit. It is really soft, not itchy or scratchy. I have it on with my blue denim. I've had these from Free Assembly for quite some time. Free Assembly has like some of the best fall wardrobe staples. And just as a little note, a lot of this stuff is going pretty fast. So if you have your eye on something, they have it in your size, I would not wait, especially with Walmart's fall collection, because it's so good and everyone's jumping in on it because it is that good. So I definitely wanted to share these before hopefully they're not sold out. And I just love the hot pink. It just adds a cheery, sometimes it's, of course I love my neutrals, but it's nice to sometimes add a pop of color just to switch it up. And then I have on those mules that I showed you guys earlier. And then I think it totally completes the whole look. How darling is this denim dress for fall? It has such gorgeous detailing, like the puff sleeves, and then it's a boxier fit. So I would definitely not size up in this if you're in between. I would actually size down if you're in between, because it is a pretty roomy dress. I'm wearing my regular extra small, and I would say it has quite a bit of extra room. I have, it has the pocket details, but it's kind of like hidden. So that's really nice. And here's a little close-up detail of the sleeves. So cute, so darling. With boots, I would do like a western boot or like heeled booty like this. I think it's so adorable, and I think this is a really nice take on a dress for fall with like the darker denim. How gorgeous is this burgundy floral dress? I shared this in a recent reel and it was really popular, and I just checked it's still in stock, so that made me super excited and I had to share it with you guys. I think this is gorgeous for fall workwear if it's more casual office environment. This would also be cute if you're like a teacher, because I think it's very appropriate, or like Sunday best. It has like an asymmetrical hemline and very comfy, very flowy. It does have a little tie-waisted detail as well as this little ruffle here. And I would say pretty true to size. I have it styled with some tall boots. You could do ballet flats or loafers, like a taller boot, like up to the knee. I think that would look great as well. And I just think this is such a stunning, like it just screams all the fall vibes. Next is this really pretty floral dress. It has a black backdrop and it has shades of blush pink, coral, olive in this dress. And it has a drop hemline. So it has this like fluttery bottom and then a 3/4 sleeve with a smocked area at the bottom of the 3/4 sleeve. I'd say true to size on this one. Again, boxier fit. It does have pockets on the side. I have it styled with these booties, and I think it is such a cute outfit idea just to throw on and go, but it looks so put together. Again, great for some places of work, just depending on dress code, or just like on the weekends. It would be so cute as like a little fall dress to wear with tall boots even, or short boots, or even ballet flats. Next is this puff sleeve sweater, and then you guys may have seen this plaid skirt if you saw my last Walmart try-on haul. This is so popular right now, these pleated skirts for fall, and I love this gray like neutral combo. And then I have it styled with this cream puff sleeve sweater. It has this little cinch detail there at the sleeves, very soft, very comfortable. I'd say it's pretty true to size. It's a little bit more on the fitted side, but not super fitted, to where it's like skin tight. But I love this combination together, like a sweater like this and a skirt. One of my go-tos, and I think they're both such darling fall staples. This jacket is so good. I got this in the cream with the brown detailing in the last haul, and it was so popular. I love this tone-on-tone brown. I think this is just one of those cozy fall wardrobe staples that you could wear over and over. Just throw it on with even like a thermal like I have from Walmart and some jeans over your athleisure. If you're even just like heading to the gym, it's just a good jacket to just throw on and go for a casual piece. Has the front pocket detailing. I'd say true to size. I ordered the extra small and small. I did end up just getting my regular extra small because I just think this, I liked how it fit me. But if you want it even a little bit boxier than how it looks on me, then size up for one for sure. And then I just have on the brown mules just to like do an elevated casual look. And then if you're a light neutral girly like me, this is a nice option as well. This is the other color I had mentioned that I got last time. It just has the brown piping on it. And I love this like cozy white too. This is really cute, even going into winter. If it's not like super cold where you live, this would be also nice for winter. And then you guys, Walmart's outerwear, this new arrivals drop is so good. As you can tell, I've just been into the outerwear pretty much, all the neutral vibes, and I love it. This is so pretty. It's a cinch kind of like raincoat or like utility jacket. This is really nice. Looks so chic and high quality. And it has this cinch detail on the side, so you just cinch it from the inside. And this is also running true to size, and it is so gorgeous with this like neutral detail. As you can tell, a lot of these clothes just like mix and match really nicely together just because all the tones work really nice. So if you're looking to like build a fall capsule wardrobe, then I would definitely check out a lot of these pieces because you could wear them so many different ways. So that is it for my Walmart new fall arrivals. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below which outfit was your favorite. I'm gonna end today's video here. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.